く抱きしめてくれとねだる瞳の奥に獲物を映して寂しく問いかける愛のありか男には自分の世界があるため
Rolling Thunder was an arcade shooting game created by Namco, but released by Atari. I always count whatever company that published the game, so to me, Rolling Thunder is still an Atari game. I love that old school two companies releasing games stuff, like during the 80s. But whatever game company logo appears on the arcade cabinet makes it their game as well. In the game, you blast away goons. The game reminds me of the anime Lupin the Third, as the main guy you play kinda looks like him. I remember playing it on Namco's anniversary game back in the 2000s. That was the first time I ever heard of Rolling Thunder. Ever since, really, I've heard no one ever really talk about Rolling Thunder. It's kind of an obscure arcade game. It's very difficult and stingy, but it's workable and you can get a little far in the game. It's probably one of the hardest arcade games I ever played, but there are ways to get fun out of Rolling Thunder. The cool factor is very high, and I think it's a classic 80s arcade game. Very cool stuff. The artwork on the arcade cabinet is also pretty fucking badass. It also has an excellent title, Rolling Thunder. Kinda sounds like Hydro Thunder or Arctic Thunder, those arcade games. It also kinda has like a Bond-esque title, Rolling Thunder. Sort of. I give Rolling Thunder from 1986 a C+. Thanks for watching.